Hi. Um, I had elaborated before on why taking this course, and I believed I had to come up with something more punchy. So, in other words, why you should take this course, I'm not gonna claim it's the best course in the world. In terms of standard, from what I know, it's probably the second best course in terms of quality that you have in the world of uh, of well testing, and it's a matter of standard, of course, because the course is designed for a specific case, which is tight gas. But don't worry if you want to study about conventional and that it's not, uh, you think it's not what you need, because some of the intricacies are really much the same. So why you should take this course besides the standard? It's very simple. Unlike a lot of existing training, this one has three edges. First, it's applied. It's very much applied, more than other training. When I talk about application, it's not so much going into deep mathematical details. It's about having something that is alike actual professional experience and lengthy experience, so which gives you an approach of the problem that you actually face in the workplace. That's the first element that I think make it very innovative. Actually, I don't think, I'm sure about it. Second, well, it's about tight gas. Tight gas is an increasing part of the world portfolio, so it's a good reason to know a bit more about it. So I recap. I mentioned the standard, and then the three edges. The edge number one is applied. The edge number two is is about tight gas. The third edge is that it's actually extracted and based on real case studies, and well, that gives it substance, and it combines well with the experience part, because it shows real data, real value, and real issues that go with it. So all in all, I recommend you to follow this course. Of course, if you're a beginner, um, you may want to work more with log-log plots and derivative, and you know, and the analysis, and you won't have this in this course. But it does. This course is maybe a bit more advanced. On the other hand, even if you're a beginner, maybe it will be easy for you to follow this one, because you will not need the prerequisite regarding derivative analysis. You can actually go right into it, and a lot of the elements that you learn here, you will be able to apply them and understand things better when you get back to the fundamentals. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for your time, and join the course.